Welcome to Prince Shorten House, The Hindu News, 17th January 2021, 80 words a minute. Ready? Start. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday launched the country-wide COVID-19 vaccination drive. He said India-made vaccines were safe and asked people not to believe rumors. He congratulated all Indians and the country's scientists. He noted that the world had not seen a vaccination drive of this scale, and India's response to the pandemic had been acknowledged globally. The vaccines have come about in the shortest time span, and this is an achievement for India and its contribution towards the battle against COVID-19. There are 100 countries which do not have a population of 3 crore, but India in the first phase will inoculate 3 crore healthcare and frontline workers, and in the next step we will take this number to 30 crore. There are only 3 countries in the world with more than 30 crore population: India, the US and China. Hence, this is going to be the biggest vaccination drive, Mr. Modi observed. On the first day, All India Institute of Medical Sciences (AIMS) Medical Director Dr. Randeep Guleria and Niti Aayog member (Health) Dr. V.K. Paul were among the first to be vaccinated, along with a sanitation worker at AIMS. Serum Institute of India (SII) CEO Adhar Poonawalla also took the vaccination. Indian vaccines are much cheaper than foreign ones and more easier and conducive to India's condition. There are vaccines abroad whose single dose costs up to rupees 5,000 and have to be kept in freezers at minus 70 degrees temperature. India manufactured vaccines are best suited for us, Mr. Modi said. Mr. Modi said around 60% children of the world would get vaccines manufactured in India. The world put its trust on India's vaccine science and research. Mr. Modi cautioned the beneficiaries against lowering the guard after getting the vaccine shot. People should remember that the vaccines comprised 2 shots and had a gap of close to a month between them. The vaccine starts working after the complete round is finished. But don't lower your guard during or after vaccination. The mantra "Dawai bhi, kadai bhi" should be followed, and use of mask and social distancing norms is essentially stated, he stated. The vaccines had been introduced after trial and dry runs. People should safeguard against rumors. India had reached this stage today only because of the sacrifice of the healthcare workers, he pointed out. They fought for every single life during the pandemic. They stayed away from their families and many never returned. India has so far found COVID-19 with self-confidence and self-reliance, and we have to keep up this spirit even during the vaccination program. Today, by vaccinating this vulnerable population first, we are recognizing their service, he said. The declaration says, I further emphasize that any information provided by me prior to taking the vaccine will be achieved in database maintained by the immunization program of the government, and privacy as well as confidentiality of the information provided by you will be maintained. The recipients will be handed over a fact sheet and a form to report adverse effects, in which they will have to note down symptoms like fever, pain within 7 days. Currently, beneficiaries don't have a choice of vaccine, and several central government hospitals in Delhi, AIIMS, Safdarjung, Ram Manohar Lohia, Kalavati Saran Children Hospital administered Covaxin to its staff under the first round of vaccination. Next para, the notices have been issued under section 160 Code of Criminal Procedure bracket CRPC, police officers' power to require attendance of witnesses in FIR number 40/2020 under various sections of the Indian Penal Code and the Unlawful Activities bracket Prevention Act bracket UAPA. Last week, the Supreme Court had suspended the implementation of the 3 farm laws until further notice and appointed a committee to resolve the issue. The farmers' unions have so far held 9 rounds of discussions with 2 union ministers, Narendra Singh Tomar and Piyush Goyal, that have remained inconclusive. The leaders raised the issue of various government agencies sending notices to the people associated with the agitation with the ministers. The Hindu spoke to some of the persons summoned by the NIA. Jasveer Singh Mukhtasar, a journalist with the UK-based TV channel KTV, who has been covering the protests at the Delhi border, said, I have been asked to appear before the NIA on January 18. I do not know why I have been summoned. Nobaljit Singh, a cloth shop owner from Hoshiarpur, who has also been asked to appear on January 18, said, I have been against the 3 back laws. I have also been to Singhu border, and the NIA notice reflects the center's oppressive policies. Punjab actor Deep Sidhu, who campaigned for BJP's Sunny Deol during the 2019 general elections, has been summoned to appear on Sunday. Ranjit Singh of the Damdami Taksal, Amritsar, said he and his friends have organized several langars bracket food stalls at Tikri and Singhu border and also distributed books and other items there. Stop.